As soon as there are 2 points, uncountably infinite points are implied. You cannot think of 2 points without at the same time thinking of uncountably infinite points. And 2 points also imply the presence of a segment, and therefore uncountably infinite segments are implied, which implies the presence of a square. Now we have the concepts of uncountably infinite and a square, therefore uncountably infinite squares are implied, therefore a cube is implied. And therefore uncountably infinite cubes are implied, simply with 2 points. And since the point is dimension 0 and the coming into being of 2 points is dimension 1, 0 and 1 are also implied in the phenomenon of a ray of light or a line segment made of light or 2 points. So, as we discussed, uncountably infinite cubes are implied, and since uncountably infinite sets contain within them countably infinite sets, the idea of countably infinite is also implied as soon as 2 points come into being. And since the idea of a dimension also comes into being when 2 points come into being, and the idea of uncountably infinite comes into being as soon as 2 points come into being, uncountably infinite dimensions are implied. And as soon as a square comes into being, both orthogonality and parallelism come into being. Therefore, parallel squares are implied, parallel cubes are implied, arbitrarily high dimensions are implied, all simply by the consideration of 2 points. So this ties in with Terence McKenna's statement: the motion of an atom or a particle from a given position to another position turns an experience from nothing to overwhelming. This shows that mind and matter at the quantum mechanical level are spun together. So hyperspace is instantly implied simply by the coming into being of 2 points, because hyperspace consists of spaces of arbitrarily high cardinality dimensions, higher than dimension 4 of space-time.